It is important to stay consistent. It is very important to stay motivated and know that where are you failing and where are you picking your up from. Your comprehension has to be very good when you are attempting any VARC question. Turn that into an opportunity कि अगर आपको 4 क्वेश्चंस आरसी के सॉल्व करने पड़ गए. Hello boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. My name is Juhi Priya, your VARC expert, and today we are going to discuss the goals of VARC in the month of October. We are approaching November 24th and now we need to decide our goals. We have been on the strategy, we have discussed the every in each aspects of VARC, DI and quants and how you will solve it with just some tips and tricks. Today we will discuss that how do we set the goal for these days and reach to the point where we will actually crack CAT with just flying colors. And what is supposed to be done right now is focusing on your strength and weaknesses. And how do we come to that point of knowing that what our strength and what are our weaknesses is by giving mocks. I have been continuously telling you that mocks are important, be it the free test mocks on Unacademy or be it the mocks that you are preparing from the last year PYQs. It is important to stay consistent. It is very important to stay motivated and know that where are you failing and where are you picking your up from. So with not wasting much time, let's get started. So I have also told you that VARC is just not the game of strategy, it is the game of practice as well. The more you have practiced in all this while, be it a year, be it in 6 months, 3 months or 2 months, or maybe you just started right now, but you should know that where you are going to be start from, where are you getting stuck at. So we have to first acknowledge our strength and weakness. We have always said that reading is very important, and I have been telling it continuously. If you haven't started reading yet, please start it right now. Be it Eon essays, be it the newspaper, you have to continuously be in a habit of reading and reading. What I used to do was that reading correctly is very important. I learned in a hard way, but I don't want you to face that problem, and that is why I am here to tell you that how reading correctly is important. Okay, just reading, just rushing through the passage will not work. I have said it myself that you have to skip, skim and scan the passage, but that doesn't mean that you are in a hurry. You have to read the passage in a way that you do not memorize the entire passage, but you at least have a gist of the passage, that what is the author trying to tell you, what is the tone of the author, what is he trying to indicate, what is the main idea, what is the comprehension of that idea. Okay, so by reading correctly, I mean that if you have a passage that is given and that passage has at least 6 to 7 paragraphs, okay, 6 to 7 paras, you won't be able to memorize the entire paragraph. But I have also taught you mapping, and I also link it over here so that you can go back to that session and see that where I have taught the concept of mapping. And what is mapping? I will again tell you. Mapping is that when you read a para from a paragraph, you have to mark those keywords in the rough column so that you know that what keywords were used there. And by my concern and my knowledge, I am telling you that when you read a para, just write down the keywords side by side, and in the entire para where there are 6-7 things that are given separately, the author is trying to tell you separate things in each of the paras, you just need to concentrate on summarizing the entire para for yourself. What am I telling here? That if you have a 6-7 blocks of paras, you just need to read through it, take out the keywords from it. Okay, keywords are very important. You won't be able to work without this. So when you take out the keywords separately, you will be able to summarize the entire para. So when you go on the question, you will know that where do you have to land, which para do you have to land. You cannot waste time by going to the entire session, entire paragraph and read it again. You do not have that time. So at least you know that which para you will be able to jump to with that questions. Okay, from there you come to the the second option, which is improve your comprehension. How does that indicate towards the paragraph which you have to read correctly? Is that when you read a paragraph and when you go to the question round, you do not have to select the right option, but you have to concentrate on the wrong आंसर. यस, यू गॉट दैट करेक्ट. रॉन्ग आंसर, जहां पे आपको चार आंसर्स चार ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं, उसमें से आपको ये तो पता है कि राइट आंसर क्या है, पर क्या आप उस राइट आंसर पे करेक्टली पहुंचे हो, ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गो ऑन ऑप्शन ए, देन बी एंड देन मे बी डी. आप इंडिकेट करो कि ये तीनों क्यों गलत है. पहले एलिमिनेट करो, पहले एलिमिनेशन का प्रोसेस समझो कि ए, बी और डी ऑप्शन क्यों गलत है. अगर आपको एक वैलिड आंसर मिल जाता है कि वो क्यों गलत है, तब आप मार्क करो कि आपका सी क्यों करेक्ट है. आपको इस तरीके से सही आंसर पे पहुंच पाओगे, ना कि सिर्फ तुक्का मार के आप कोई भी ऑप्शन इनमें से चुन लोगे. सो योर कॉम्प्रिहेंशन हैज टू बी वेरी गुड व्हेन यू आर अटेम्प्टिंग एनी VARC क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. Now, moving on to our next slide, where I have mentioned the weakness, the strength and the opportunity. How does these three connect? These three connect in a way that आपको अभी पता है कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है. ठीक है. आप थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लो. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ रहे हो, बहुत ज़्यादा मॉक टेस्ट दे रहे हो, कंफ्यूज हो गए हो, यू आर आउट ऑफ द जोन, आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, थोड़ा ब्रेक लो, सांस लो, 2 दिन आराम कर लो और फिर स्टार्ट करो. ठीक है. मॉक टेस्ट दो और फिर उसको एनालाइज करो कि किस सेक्शन में आप कम नंबर ला रहे हो. ठीक है. स्ट्रेंथ के लिए आई टेल यू, इफ यू अटेम्प्ट 4 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द VARC सेक्शन, कोई भी सेक्शन उठा लो, चाहे VA का उठा लो या RC का उठा लो. ठीक है. 4 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करो और अगर इनमें से आपके एक क्वेश्चन सही हो रहा है, बाकी 3 गलत हो रहे हैं, तो देखो कि आपका स्ट्रेंथ कहां पर है. ठीक है. उस पे आपको थोड़ी सी मेहनत और करके उसको बढ़ाना है. लेकिन ये 3 क्वेश्चन जो आपने गलत किए हैं, ये आपका वीकनेस है और इन पे आपको काम करना है. ठीक है. ये काम करके यू विल नो कि आप कैसे इन वीकनेस को स्ट्रेंथ में वापस बदल सकते हो. और बाई चांस अगर आपके 3 क्वेश्चन सही आ रहे हैं, तो ये बहुत बड़ा पॉइंट है. दिस 3 क्वेश्चंस आर इंडिकेटिंग दैट यू आर वेरी गुड एट योर एक्यूरेसी लेवल. आपका एक्यूरेसी लेवल बहुत अच्छा है, इन अ सेंस दैट बड़े बड़े जो एस्पिरेंट्स हैं कैट के, जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी कैट दे चुका है, उनका 3 क्वेश्चंस, ये एक्यूरेसी लेवल मेंटेन करना बहुत बड़ी बात है. तो अगर 3 क्वेश्चंस आपके इन 4 अटेम्प्ट्स में से सही आ रहे हैं, तो यू आर ऑन द राइट पाथ, यू आर ऑन द राइट लेवल. बट अगर एक क्वेश्चन या 2 क्वेश्चन सही आ रहा है, बाकी 2 क्वेश्चंस गलत आ गए हैं, तो वी विल वर्क ऑन द वीकनेस फर्स्ट. ठीक है. दिस शुड बी आवर गोल. 4 क्वेश्चंस डेली शुड बी आवर गोल स्टार्टिंग नाउ. ठीक है. आप ब्रेक ले लो, आप एक दिन का ब्रेक ले लो, लेकिन 4 questions starting now you have to attempt at least going forward and turn that into an opportunity कि अगर आपको 4 क्वेश्चंस आरसी के सॉल्व करने पड़ गए, जो मैंने कहा है बहुत सारे अपने सेशंस में कि सिर्फ 3 आरसी सॉल्व करने हैं, लेकिन अगर चौथे के लिए टाइम बच गया है एंड यू थिंक दैट यू विल बी एबल टू attempt that 4th question, that you are turning into a very good opportunity for yourself. और बहुत लोग ये कहते हैं कि मैम 40 मिनट में 40 क्वेश्चंस कैसे अटेम्प्ट करेंगे. क्या आप सही में सोच रहे हो कि 40 मिनट में 40 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करोगे? बिल्कुल नहीं. आप सिर्फ फोकस करो 12 से 16 क्वेश्चंस पे. ये 12 से 16 क्वेश्चंस आपके 80 to 90% एक्यूरेसी में आने चाहिए और ये बिल्कुल करेक्ट होना चाहिए. बिल्कुल इसमें कोई स्कोप नहीं है गलत होने की. सो इफ यू आर अटेम्प्टिंग एटलीस्ट 12 to 16 क्वेश्चन विद अ 90% एक्यूरेसी, you will attain 99 percentile and I can make that sure. I can give that you in written. Okay, so please let's convert this October month into an opportunity and let's crack this examination together. अगर इसके अलावा भी आपके पास कोई डाउट है So we are giving a very good festive offer only on Unacademy, where it is flat 50% off plus up to 6 months on CAT and OMID subscription, and this is just for a limited time period. What you will get? You will get a very good comprehensive batch that is starting, and also the final countdown batch that has already started on 5th of October. So please use my code JUHI99. अभी लगाओ ये कोड और अभी यूज करो, क्योंकि ये ऑफर बहुत लिमिटेड पीरियड तक है. You get 100% refund on cracking any top IIM, and I have told you for CAT 2025 aspirants, and for CAT 2025 aspirants there's a very good offer also. If you are not able to crack the CAT examination by any chance, the entire CAT 2026 preparation will be on us, and we take it by all the unlimited batches that we will start, the revision batches that we will start. And if by chance you're not able to crack CAT 2025 examination, you know that you will be CAT assured by then, okay? And we are also having this countdown batch, which is the final countdown batch that has started on October 5th. So enroll now, use my code JUHI99 and avail the best offer in the market, okay? And we also have mock tests which are curated by experts of the industries. You'll also get books, you will also get all the comprehensive mock tests, that is just at the price of 3,999, and this offer is just for limited period, so avail now. You will get a 25 full length mock test which you can give whenever you want to, and a detailed test analysis which is very important for any mock aspirants that are preparing for CAT 2024 at just this price. So avail this today, do not miss it. And all and above, with all due respect, if you are preparing for CAT 2024, you can get free all India mock test only on Unacademy, where you will have the latest pattern examination as per the industry standard, and which will be curated by the experts. Know where you stand. This is very important. आपको अभी जानने की बहुत ज़रूरत है कि कहाँ है, on what level you are, so that you can make yourself more perfect by the days, okay? And this examination will happen on October 13th, so mark this date. And the best part is that it is happening on the exam slots of CAT 2024, so you will be prepared for the examination environment. Please mark my words, it will happen on 8:30 AM, 12:30 PM and 4:30 PM. So enroll now, do not miss this offer. Use my code JUHI99 and avail these offers. So coming back to the strength and weaknesses, I was telling that you have to turn your strength, weakness into opportunity starting now. So do not waste more time. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, please reach out to us. We are coming up with a live session from starting this Wednesday, where I will be covering all the PYQs, all your doubt session. So do visit that live session, and you can actually interact with me, ask questions that you have been facing for so long. I understand that when there is a recorded session, you have to come in the comment box, wait for my answers. You do not have to wait over there. You just have to interact on a live session, and you can get your questions and problems solved over there, right now, okay? So with that, I will end this session for now. Please like this session and share it with any of your friends who is aspiring for CAT. And thank you so much for watching this session. Have a very good evening.